Happy girl, happy girl, happy girl. Hey, nail fanatics. Happy girl. I love it when my nail mail shows up on one of my days off. So today, I just want to give you a quick look. I ordered from Shine for the first time, and the shine.ca, obviously I'm in Canada, so the .com site for the rest of the world, I believe it may be a little more area specific on that. And they have, in addition to all of their clothing and a bunch of other housewares and stuff, they have a ton of nail products, ranging from false nails to stickers to you name it. There's pretty much everything. So I just noticed they have a big beauty sale going on. So you can in here shop by category, and I always just dog hair in my mouth. We can't have a video without dog hair. I always just scroll down nail art. And as you can see, they have false nails, tools, nail art kits. They've updated their website a little bit, which is nice. They've got a little better sorting on there. They've even got some stamping plates in here. So if you haven't seen Shine, it's definitely something to consider. I've been an AliExpress buyer for many years, and I've had really great success with it. A lot of the vendors have started shipping, started charging shipping to Canada now. So that is something that affects you, because if you buy like, you know, a decal for $1, they're charging you 50, 75 cents, $1, whatever shipping on every one. So if I buy 3 of these, then I'm paying $3 shipping. Sometimes there's discounts involved that they can, you know, offset a little bit of that, but it's pretty frustrating to me. Shine does have free shipping thresholds. So if you order a certain dollar amount, you get free shipping. And they do often have free shipping time frames where you don't have to put in a minimum order value. So anyhow, so they take a look at it. It's quite, it's a whole nother rabbit hole to fall down into when you're looking at nail stuff. So you've been warned, but gonna set this aside and let's take a look at what I've got over here in my bag. It's huge, and I'm going to pull this back out of the camera so that you don't have to listen to the crinkle as I open it and go through it. Let's start taking a look. Whoops, dropping things on the floor. I'm just gonna dump. Get it all over with at once for you. So we're gonna hit at the top of the pile. I've got a few of these. These are the little dots to go on the top of your polish bottles for swatch tops. And a lot of my gels, obviously you don't see very well through the bottles being opaque, so that is something that's definitely useful for me. This, feeding my Halloween fanaticism, it's a spider ring. You will see this definitely coming up in some of my Halloween manicures for sure. What do we got? Oh, these were just got sucked into false nails. It's like, come on, I've been doing my own nails for how long? But I love the ombre on these, and again, for me, these are gonna be something into a Halloween vein, so keep an eye out on for those. A little bit of trouble getting these open. There we go. So a variety of sizes. Obviously, these are full color covered, so they will not be cured on. I'll be putting them on with a glue tab or something along that lines. Oh, some stamping plates. We'll get to those in a bit. More bottle tops. Some adorable, look at these adorable little pineapple charms to go on the nails, and they're a little bit pre-curved too. I don't know if you can see that, which is fabulous. Makes it so much easier to get them on there. Oh, I got myself a set of rings for taking photos for either myself or on my flexi hand. These are decals, so you can either use them as themselves, hollow factor, or you can use them as a pattern to do, you know, a sponge ombre or something over. And these pretty little hearts, those ones just sucked me in. They'll be nice to be able to do a little bit of fill on them, you know, with various colors, or just by themselves. And spiders. Hope nobody's got an arachnophobia thing going on. So, just a little bit of a jewel. Again, we're in Halloween, getting ready for Halloween in my world, which I actually have been doing for several months already. These ones were cute. They're little candy canes. I'm not a huge Christmas person, but yeah, they're nice little candy cane charms on there. Halloween, these are paper. They're not charms, but paper little, you know, decorations. You can just apply them being paper. They're nice. They're flexible. And lots of different variety on that. The little ghosts, the eyeballs, the pumpkins, the witches. I'm just so excited about that. I don't remember what this is. Oh, those are things for my Jeep. We'll just put those aside. Don't need to be too worried about that. Stamping plate. I believe this was $1. Nothing on here was crazy outrageous. I think the most I paid was $3 for something. But, you know, this one was nice. Just a few autumn leaves on there, some tropicals, and a few words. You know, we're seeing a lot of different texts on nails as, you know, a trend. So these are adorable. Some nice little starfish type appliques, and they again are just a small amount curved, so it makes it easier to get onto your nail. We'll open that in a couple minutes. And this was a variety pack of different stickers. So just some different shapes, some abstracts, and, you know, some geometric graphics and stuff like that. Those ones are fun. These are cute. These are full cover nails, or full cover like nail strips. I just love this little happy face guy, and there's some really cute ones. They'll be nice. They're kind of a pride theme, but you know, for me, I'll just pick them up and wear them anytime. I'm having a real obsession with daisies lately. Not that I've ever gotten them on my nails, but I go through stages where I'm really just fascinated by certain images. Snake, as you can see, has never gone away, but so these ones are just nice little nail stickers, various different daisies, and snake skin. These are full color. These are full nail stickers, and a variety in this package. We've got some leopard and some cheetah in there. And then we've got some snake skin in a couple of different patterns. So shiny, shiny, shiny. And these are just all kinds of different little sizes and a variety of shape of stars. I'm going to open these so we can get a better look at them. Shipping was nice and quick. I basically, trying to remember, I think I ordered... Today, it's middle of August. I think it's only, I don't think it's even been 2 weeks overall. So, oh, again, look at these. These are going to be so much fun for Halloween. I'm pretty sure these ones are going to be UV reactive, not glow in the dark, just reactive under UV lamp. So, but yeah, back to the shipping. I think it was maybe 2.5 weeks. It was really reasonable. It does come from overseas, does come from China, but here we are diving into my daisy nail obsession again. We've got some full color nail stickers on there. Oh, and these ones, this was interesting. I'm not an artist. There are people out there that do nails that just absolutely blow me away. I don't have this skill and talent, so I saw these, and not only did the design appeal to me, but the fact that, you know, I can't for the life of me draw anything like this. So, and they're, you know, to carry across a whole several different nails in your set. So I like those. Those are so cute. I just wanted some, not a huge amount. I just wanted some more square-ish shaped nail tips. These were super cheap, so there's actually 2 packages in here. One are the colored and one are the clear. And again, just some more different text, words and stuff like that. Just something fun, little extras to add on. I like these. They look like some, you know, neon light tubing. So, you know, just something a little bit fun and different. These guys glow in the dark. I remember my little alien guys and my spaceships. It's like, I thought that they were a different color. That was the reason for the pause, but the glow in the dark factor is a redeeming value. And working up to the holiday season, we've got some snowflakes, and you can see how each of the arms of the snowflakes has a small crystal in there. Again, these ones are curved, so they are going to fit on the nail quite well. Again, some different words, some different sayings, and these are stickers as well. Just some multicolored. I like the brightness on these. This whole package is flat back pearls. I wanted some very tiny flat back pearls on my nails for a long time. I have several lifetimes worth here. But it's something that I wanted. I wanted them small, and you know, the price for, I think I paid $3 for that one. And you know, I pay for 10 or 20, I'd pay that amount from other different locations. So, and we got some nail foils and a variety of different patterns. So we've got some birthday presents and stuff like that. The chocolate dipped strawberries, some little bit of candy-ish looking, some parts, some valentines, and butterflies. Oh, that was one of those. I don't know what they're in the package. I got nothing. I can't do anything else about it. Some nice little wedding ones if you're looking for people that are getting married. Excuse me. Some more butterflies, a few flowers, the lips. They're cute. They're fun. And again, some more butterflies. I have one with nothing on it. I'm going to have to investigate on that because that's not... I've never had one with nothing on it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be 10 in the package. There's 9 that have something on it and 1 that's blank. So I'll get in contact with them about that. And these ones are as well snake skin. Snake skin. I have this, I'd love to get a snake, a reptile of some sort. My other half has, I can't say it's a phobia, because if I actually say that, he'll get very upset if he ever sees the video, but he just doesn't like snakes at all. So, but these were fabulous because of all of the wild and crazy colors that there are in them. And there's some that are the multi-shifting chromes, and some, there's definitely some holographic in here. And again, like, I know these will probably be UV reactive. These 2 colors, maybe the pink. So that might be the next thing that goes on my nails. Oh, this one, this is for my bits. That's for my e-file. And I looked at buying this like on the cart website, and I think, I'm going to put this down a little bit farther away from the microphone. I think that they wanted $13 or $15 for it on the McCart website, and $3 here. So, you know, just some place to store them all in one place, keep them safe, keep them dust free. These are some funky little, sometimes I have trouble with these packages. There we go. just some fun, funky little pointy studs you can see on there. So, oh, nice close-up shot of my eczema on my hand. Sorry about that. So those will be fun. Again, those will be making a Halloween appearance. And this one. Okay, this little package, just to throw out example for pricing. All the prices I'm giving you are in Canadian too, right? So don't forget that there is definitely going to be a difference on that if you're shopping from the US. Oh, it's taped and vacuum sealed or glued shut. So this little package was $3. And you see it's come with a little teeny stamper. Just for an example. There's clear jelly stamper size, so it's really miniature, but you know, it's definitely something I will use. So it came with that, 2 stamping plates, and it does have a scraper in there. We're not gonna, you know, not something we would mostly use, but I like this little one. A couple of beer mugs. The flames are cute, and these little guys, I love this one. You know, is this a brand that I've heard of? No, but... And then this one, some really great pop art images. I was looking on the website, looking at this one, and I just could not, try to get my light off there. Could not figure out what it was, but now that I see it in life, it's a woman holding cherries by the stem in her mouth, the lips, you know, the spray paint, the finger snap. It's just, yeah, this one was really cute. They're very small images. They don't give you the plate size. So that was a bit of a crapshoot on for me on this one and the other one, but... So, all in all, that's basically all the nail stuff I get. I got, like I said, I got a couple of things. I got a couple of things for my Jeep interior and stuff like that, which, you know, just hang up hooks and that. Nothing too serious, but all in all, you know, what I got for product, for what I paid, it was my first time order. They have a 10% discount code for your first time order, but do look around because I found I believe it was a 20% discount code online just by searching Shine coupon code. So for basically about $50, I got a pretty good haul. Got some fun stuff and some things that I kind of, especially these caps for the top of my polishes. I've been meaning to get something like that for ages and just hadn't gotten around to it. So anyhow, so guys, take a look around Shine. You know, I'm happy with it. Price is comparable or better than AliExpress in a lot of ways. Shipping was faster. Pricing's definitely better than Born Pretty. Born Pretty prices have gotten kind of outrageous the last couple of years. They've gone a little bit over the top, in my opinion. Product quality is definitely there, but yeah, it's check it out. I don't have any discount codes, not a promo video, but just something fun and exciting and a new place for us to all feed our nail addiction. So thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Have a fabulous day, and I'm off to play with all of this fun stuff. Cheers!